without you. I could give up my life without you.
Everyone is frying tomatoes after seeing this genius idea. In a large skillet over low to medium heat, start by adding enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom. And when the oil is hot, add 5 ripe tomatoes and fry them for 5 minutes. This is the right point. After doing that, cut these tomatoes. Cut them into slices, then into strips, and finally into cubes, and set them aside. Now, cut a medium eggplant. Cut it into slices, then into strips, and finally into cubes. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Next, transfer to a medium bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix all the ingredients very well to combine. This is the right mix. Now, in another medium bowl, add 2 medium potatoes cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix to combine. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. After doing that, in a large skillet over low to medium heat, add 1 liter of vegetable oil. And when the oil is hot, add the eggplant we prepared and fry until golden brown. This is the right point. Remove from the oil and set aside on a plate lined with paper towels. Now, in the same skillet, add the potatoes we prepared and fry until golden brown. This is the right point. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. After doing that, in another large skillet over low to medium heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, 1 green bell pepper chopped into cubes, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and sauté until lightly golden brown. When that happens, add the tomatoes we prepared. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of chimichurri, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and mix well to combine. Then, add the eggplant we prepared, the potatoes, and mix everything one more time. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.